Today we're going to be troubleshooting a no starting issue with a 4018. In this particular video, we're going to be going over a blank control panel, which means we're not getting power to it. First, we're going to start by checking the fuse on the panel itself. So in the bottom left corner, you have a fuse. We'll take that out. And we will inspect this fuse. Everything looks good on it, so we will put that back in place. From there, we're going to move up to the battery. On some models, the battery may be located in the passenger side toolbox. On this particular one, it is between the engine and your water tank. So first, we want to start by checking the volts on the battery, and we are looking for a minimum of 12.3 volts. And we're at 12.6, so we do have enough power. So from there, we want to start checking our fuses and battery cables. So inside this fuse cover, you have a 30 amp fuse. So we'll want to remove this and inspect it. This one we've already checked, it is in good shape. So now we want to check all of our battery terminals and ensure that they are tight with no corrosion. So these are all tight. Now we can move on to check our grounds. There is 2 grounds located here. So these are also tight. Now we want to move up to the engine and check the ground up here. You want to remove your engine cover. This is not a hinged engine cover. This is a lift-off style. So we'll remove that. Thank you. And now we want to check our ground inside of our engine compartment. So this ground right here that is next to your oil filter, which it is also tight. So then while we're here, we can go ahead and check our starter cables. These are also tight. So from there, we can check our main plug, make sure that this is tight. Okay. And this does have slots on it and does go in a particular way. Okay. From there, we'll check the plug on the back of our control panel. So from here, this is also a twist lock, and this one is grooved as well. All of our pins are intact, but you do want to keep an eye out and make sure if you see any pin that is distorted, that you double check that you're getting power to it. If you're still experiencing issues after following all of these steps, give us a call and we can help you with any further troubleshooting.